that flawless shine. It's not just wax. It's LLumar Ultimate Plus paint protection film at JRS Auto Detailing. This isn't ordinary protection, it's platinum-level defense against rocks, gravel, sand, and road debris. Invisible. Seamless. Virtually undetectable. Got swirl marks or scuffs? They vanish with heat. Thanks to LLumar's self-healing, super-hydrophobic technology, water beads right off and shine lasts for years, maintaining your PPF. Easy. Just wash, dry, and go. Your car stays clean, glossy, and ready for every adventure, all backed by a lifetime warranty. Is paint protection film worth it? Absolutely. It's not just protection, it's peace of mind, performance, and perfection in one film. Protect your investment with JRS Auto Detailing, now at 2 Edmonton locations. Book your appointment today.